So I'm on my way to the dentist, and this is how my face looks before extractions. Let's see when I take out 4 teeth today how pleasant my face is gonna be. Let's see. Also, we're gonna be spending a coin today because we're extracting 4 teeth. I do have insurance. However, I don't think nothing is left on my insurance. We're gonna see. I am hopeful there's money left on my insurance, but I know that may not be the case because the last time I was at the dentist and I did a cleaning, I was told no money no left on my insurance, which is crazy because I've had insurance for probably 3 years or more right now, and I barely used it. The only time I've been using it now is when I got the braces last August, and man, nothing for dental. Insurance is what? A scam. Anyways, let's head out because I'm running late. Fit of the day: white teeth, jeans, and sandals. That's the fit. Oh my god, I'm not ready.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap. Being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it.
Huh?
Talking while you come around and now you silent. Blue the Cooper 17, no God.
Guys, let me tell you something. Tooth extractions, teeth extractions is the worst ever. Like, I was in so much pain last night. Like, I couldn't even talk to y'all. Like, I got some soup, I got pain tablets. Like, let me tell you, the Panadol Rapid, I'm gonna put it here. The Panadol Rapid, it says 5 minutes, but I think it worked for me in 8 minutes. After I took that tablet, y'all, the pain subsides a bit. I was able to manage it. Prior to the tablet, I was not able to manage it, and I'm still in a little bit pain, but I can manage. So shout out to Panadol Rapid because it worked. I took 2 last night, so I got out this morning 8 and took another 2. So now today we are unboxing our chair. We're gonna try to set it up. So I bought a chair from Amazon. The Amazon link is below in the description, so if you guys like it, you can purchase it, and please use my online link for it. Okay. I paid, I think it was $89 for it, and shipped it through my shipping company, and it weighs 30 pounds, and I paid $10,000 to clear it. So the price isn't bad. 30 pounds for 10,000, that's good compared to other shipping companies. Even though I don't like to spend money on shipping, sometimes I just wish, like, why do we need to pay to pick up stuff? Like, I wish our stuff was, you know, like in the US and Canada and UK, like it just drops to your door. Even though there's some items you can purchase on Amazon that come straight to your door. By the way, if my speech sounds weird, like I look weird, I look tired, it's because of the toothache. Let me just put it out there. Anyways, it hurts. Anyways, we're gonna set up this chair, and yeah, let's go. Guys, I'm telling you, like, my energy level is at 2 out of 5, so bear with me, okay? Thank you.
In my dreams, I'm never over you. Just trying to stay alive. No matter how I feel or what I do, yeah, I keep on wasting time.
Here is what came in. So basically, it's a beige chair that I got, but I don't know, the beige is looking kind of dirty. Am I wrong? It looks kind of dirty. And it's daytime. It definitely came dirty. Yo, this is a problem when you buy. Yo, no man, like if I deliver for any but I send this back, it looks dirty to me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so annoyed right now. I'm legit pissed, and it's not the lighting. Like the bed, I'm gonna show you a picture of it. Even the pictures and videos, they look lighter. I'm gonna have to get this clean. I don't know, it just looks like a dirty beige to me, and it's not supposed to be a dirty beige. I am not happy. I am not happy. Look right here. Sorry. Woman is giving dirty beige. Yo, this is the problem, guys. I guess I should have took the green. Well, the green, I really wanted the green, but when you take certain colors, you're definitely gonna need to have things to complement it. I should have just gone with the green. I would have found things to complement it. But seeing that my bed frame is dark, I was like, I can go with black, white, and beige because I want to get picture frames and stuff like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Breathe. All right, let's set it up and see how it looks, y'all. If not, I'm gonna have to get this clean. Don't ask me how. I'll figure it out.
I made a mistake, and now it's all bad. You could put the blame on me, but baby, can we run it back? You've been running through my mind, and you're still in my dream. Baby girl, life without you just ain't as good as it seems. But if you meet me down the road, would you stay or would you go?
It is so dirty. Like, this was not wrapped up properly in the warehouse. You guys can't even see, but you can see this. See, does it look beige? Can you see? Some part is lighter than some. I'm taking pictures and videos and send it to them because it's crazy. It's
You can hold it like those flowers, I'll keep going. Put me down in the water, tell that preacher, yeah, he got one. Girl, you are my salvation, I'd do anything to have you. If you meet me down the road.
Guys, it's done. As you can see that it's not clean beige. It's dirty. I don't know if it's Amazon or by shipping whosoever that opened the box, and yeah, I don't know, but it's just not giving clean at all. It's just not giving clean, baby. But it's very cute. It's it's what should I say? It's soft. It's comfortable when you sit. So I need to figure out where I'm gonna keep it. This is also my workstation chair as well. I wanted something that's accent that goes in the room, but I'm gonna move it to my makeup station where also. Guys, not my phone dying, and I'm trying to show y'all where the chair is gonna be when I'm working. While I'm working, this is where I'm gonna sit. However, when I'm not working, I gotta move it from here because the fan stays in this side. So I'm gonna put it over the other side. I'm gonna show y'all right now. It's not by my desk area. I'm gonna leave it here. I was thinking to put it over the other side here, but I'm gonna figure it out the next day. But for now, I'm gonna keep it here. If I have guests, they can just walk in and come at this side instead of walking around my bed and going over the opposite side. Yeah, but for now, we're gonna keep it here. Like, you guys can literally see, I can't stop talking about the dirtiness of it. So I gotta buy some stuff to clean it and let it come white, beige. Well, yeah, you guys know what I mean. But yeah, it's cute enough. guys, so I am in my dirty beige chair. Oh my god, my beige is not clean. Like you guys are gonna hear me talking about. You're gonna be sick of me talking about it. Anyways, I did get something else from Amazon. I wanted some kitty heels, and normally I would buy, my shoes from Nordstrom Rack, but I can't use my local card anymore, and then my Jamaican PayPal I can't purchase from it as well. So they have made major changes to their site, so I can't buy from Nordstrom Rack site anymore, and I'm super pissed about it. Super pissed. Anyways, I did try these on already. They're comfy, but I don't really like it. I don't like how it fits me. I don't like how it feels. Like it's giving the heel is lean type of vibe. Yeah, but it's okay. Like I said, I wear 8.5, 8.5. I don't buy 8 anymore. Over the years I've realized 8.5 fits my feet best. So anything 8.5 I buy. Like I said, it's okay. It's not bad, but I don't know. I'm not gonna buy another color from this specific store, I should say. But like I said, it's not bad. I haven't worn it out yet, but I have tried it on. And like I said, it's okay, but I don't know. It's just not fitting my feet how I like it. But nonetheless, it's cute. I would still recommend it. You guys can try it. You should have slender feet like mine too. I would recommend having slender feet. Yeah. But we are gonna finish work and we don't know what we're up to. I do have class later. Yesterday, guys, I was not able to finish class yesterday because of the pain that I was in last night, and right now I feel like I don't even want to be in class because I just want to go lie. After work, I just want to go lie down, but I can't miss 2 classes straight. The recordings, they say, will be available weekend, but I don't want to miss 2 classes straight, so I'm going to go in it and try to concentrate. So that's that for today.